Hello everyone. Today we'll have a look at a broker called EverFX. As we can see from the main screen here, this is the official sponsor of Sevilla FC Football Club. Now Sevilla being from Spain, in order to advertise to customers from Spain into the European Union, it means that you must be a regulated broker. So this information here is actually, this is one of the reasons why brokers advertise to football teams, football clubs, because automatically tells you that this is a serious business, as it is regulated by the financial authorities in that jurisdiction. And another thing that points to regulation, so we don't even have to check it. It is just what it is. Another reason is this green band here on the lower side, explaining the risks of trading. These are conditions, or it is a condition imposed by the financial authorities lately in the last couple of years or so, in order for traders to be aware of the risks of trading and to increase the transparency of both the business and the services that the broker offers. So EverFX, we start on the sound note with this being a regulated broker. Grab it and pound US dollar. Let's see what else we have. 1,000 plus currencies, stocks, indices, and commodities. Now, if we compare this offering with the offering of other brokerage houses that I've reviewed here, we see that this is by far an offer that exceeds the ones on other brokerage houses. So this is a plus. Trade on 5 world-class platforms. Let's see, what do we have? MetaTrader 4, excellent. MetaTrader 5, excellent. Why would you choose MT5 when you trade with a broker that also gives you the option to use MT4? First of all, if you trade in a jurisdiction where both of them are allowed, because in the United States, for instance, you cannot use MT4, but you can use MT5. But if you trade in Europe and both of them are allowed, then you may want to choose MT5 because it has some risk management features integrated. For example, the FIFO, first in, first out rule. It doesn't allow hedging, and all these are meant or are built in order to improve the risk management. Social trading is always good. Mobile trader, here there is a small glitch on the website, so they better fix that soon, because that will affect their image here as well. So they have some work to do on the homepage. Not quite something that you would expect from this kind of a broker. Let's go on. Legal documents? I don't think that there's still the need to check the legal documents, but because this is a regulated broker. But let's nevertheless have a look as we are redirected to see what do we have. CySEC, of course, the FSA and CIMA. Everything looks okay, and you may even use PayPal according to this information. Trading instruments. Let's see on the market conditions and the actual conditions for the trader. On the stocks, these are obviously CFDs on stocks. CFDs means that you buy and sell not the common share or the ordinary share in a stock, in a company, but contract, because CFD is a contract for difference, but a contract that tracks the move of the underlying asset. The underlying asset may be the stock of Amazon, or the share price of Apple, or the share price of Facebook, or whatever it would be. So CFDs, these are the purpose of the CFDs. On the FX, I'm more curious. On the FX, unfortunately, we cannot see here the spreads and the conditions. Only start trading, and probably we will be redirected. A bit more transparency would be welcomed from this broker. Metals, let's see on the metals. What do we have? Aluminium, copper, gold. But we don't know if this is just a representation here or if these are true markets that the broker offers. Trading, account types. Now this should be interesting. On the account types, let's see if we spot something that tells us about trading conditions. 4 account types. Where are those? Same great service. Several different accounts. CySEC account types. Oh, I see. So what this broker does is it offers different account types based on the jurisdiction where the customer belongs. And in other words, it cannot offer the same conditions in order to satisfy all the regulation or the conditions from all these 3 regulators. So probably you may have some accounts on the CySEC, some accounts for the CIMA, so everything is okay. Let's go on the CySEC Cyprus and to see what do we have here. Normally this should be the broker's best offering, because to be licensed and registered and regulated by CySEC, it's quite expensive and so on. Minimum deposit we see 200, 250, 5,000, 30,000, a bit expensive or a bit too much if you ask me. Not the 250, but the 5,000. Minimum spread from 0.8, minimum spread from 1.2, minimum spread from 0. So I would say that this would be the VPN account, not the VPN, the ECN account. What do we have? There is a free VPS, which is good, a free VPS. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. And if you run an automated trading software like an EA, an expert advisor, or a trading robot, you may want a free VPS. But this is nothing that I would do with any broker, especially because conditions are differentiated. Premium 5,000, 0.8. This also shows ECN conditions, but conditions again for the account type, but the minimum amount to be deposited are quite stiff. All in all, let's go on the home page. All in all, EverFX appears to be running a big business here with 3 regulators, especially one in Europe. What I don't like is the fact that we do not see many info regarding the markets that the broker offers. The website is a bit fishy, as it has many errors, and the minimum deposits are quite aggressive or are quite high, sky high, especially on the VIP and the premium account. All in all, but only because it's a regulated broker, it's okay to do business with it. But there are some better alternatives, similar ones or even better in these jurisdictions. Thank you and bye-bye.